Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your Google Pixel Fold when you lost it somewhere in the room or in your house and you can't identify where it is. And to do this we'll be using Google Assistant, so if you don't have Google Assistant working for the lock screen and also if your phone is muted, this feature won't work. But if you have Google Assistant, then you can ask Google to either play any song or with the phrase "where are you?" and that way your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to find it. Now let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you? And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.